Hi, I'm Kirk England, and I'd like to give you a quick tour into the New Milford Chamber of Commerce's upcoming Zoom workshop on Excel tips, tricks, and daily applications. We'll start off by creating a basic spreadsheet, enabling you to track anything and everything, how to format cells for dates, cell justification, and text alignment. In our cash log example, I'll show you how to easily copy dates and also how to copy dates and numbers and then list them in sequential order. We'll also introduce you to the AutoSum function and how to write a basic formula to track your current balance. In our workflow example, I'll show you how to format cells for percentages, how to use data bars for tracking your progress. We'll also write a formula to show our total percent completed. And in order to do this, we'll have to convert this text into numbers. In our sales receipt import example, I'll show you how to enter a value once and have it automatically populate in other cells. I'll also show you how to use if statements and conditional formatting to help you confirm the accuracy of your transaction. We'd love to have you attend this free Zoom workshop. For more information, please contact Denise at the Chamber.